Here's a step-by-step guide to booking your cabin. Click the green Book Now button on our pricing page by visiting mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/pricing. For the best experience, we recommend using Firefox or Chrome. Keep in mind that you have two payment options during checkout, partial or full payment. We'll provide more details on this later in this video. On the top right, click the green Register button. You have 20 minutes to complete the reservation at this stage, otherwise, you'll need to start from the beginning. Choose your ticket type, single occupancy for solo travelers, double occupancy for 2 persons, and so on. On the next page, view the different cabin options, their descriptions and total prices for all guests in the cabin, plus the booking fee. If you want to add the premium drinks package, you can do so here by selecting the desired cabin with the premium drinks package. Once again, the listed price covers all passengers in the cabin, inclusive of the premium drinks package. Below, you'll find information on booking fees. Importantly, there are no additional charges beyond this. Taxes and personnel gratuities are already included in the total price. This means you're all set, and there won't be any extra payments required during the cruise. Choose the option that aligns with your preferences and click Next. Please be mindful that, whether at this stage, a previous stage, or later, if you need to navigate back, use this blue back button at the bottom and not your browser's back button to ensure a smooth process, avoiding any disruption to the flow. Now, complete the fields with your personal traveler information. Ensure that your full name, date of birth, and citizenship match the details in your passport, and that of any guests included in the same reservation, if applicable. In this section, you can also specify any dietary preferences for each guest and communicate other special requests or needs you may have. Mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk, and optional fields can be left empty if not applicable. Once you've accepted all terms and conditions, proceed by clicking Next. Moving to the payment page, review your details and select your preferred payment option, pay in full or pay in part. Until March 14th, you can secure your booking with $400 per person, totaling $800 for double occupancy. After March 14th, it increases to $900 per person, amounting to $1,800 at booking, and so on. Check our payment plans for more details at mediterraneanmetalcruise.com/payment-plans. Please be aware that $800 is the minimum required for partial payment at this stage, and you have the flexibility to choose any amount between $800 and the total cost of your reservation, depending on your preference. Once you've decided whether you prefer to pay in installments or in full, input your card details and click Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully secured your cabin for this incredible metal adventure. Keep an eye on your inbox for the booking confirmation email containing essential details, your booking code, due balance, and links for paying upcoming installments. Please be mindful as the booking confirmation might end up in your spam folder. Keep an eye out for it there. When it's time to make your next installment payment, simply click on the Pay Next Installment link provided in your confirmation email. Additionally, you have the flexibility to make payments at any time using the Pay Any Amount link. Finally, if you prefer to pay the remaining balance in full, you can use the blue Pay Now button. Should you need assistance, feel free to reach out to our reservations department at reservations@mediterraneanmetalcruise.com. We hope this guide has been informative.